In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monitor scenario runs in Make. We'll walk through the History tab and logs to understand every execution, and then we'll cover the built-in error notifications so you can catch issues quickly and keep your automations running smoothly. Every scenario run in Make is recorded automatically. To see it, open the scenario you want to monitor and click the History tab in the top navigation. You'll find a chronological list of runs, each showing when it started, how long it took, and its status. A success means the run finished as expected. A warning means it completed, but something was unusual and may need a look. An error means it stopped before finishing. To investigate a run, click Details. This opens a visual map of the execution so you can see how data moved through your module step by step. Above each module, you'll notice small operation icons, or bubbles. Click those to inspect the exact input and output data bundles that module processed during the run. This is invaluable for verifying that the right fields flowed through, confirming transformations, and spotting missing or malformed values. If you're trying to understand a problem, work from the first unexpected result backward, opening the bubbles as you go until you find the point where the data stopped matching your expectations. If your scenario runs often, make them easier to find by assigning meaningful names. Add the Customize Run Name module to your scenario and build a dynamic name using data from the flow, such as a customer identifier or order number. Those names will appear in your history list, making it simpler to search, scan, and compare runs later. Keep your naming format short and consistent so it's readable at a glance. Make also monitor scenarios for failures and alerts you via email. By default, you'll get an email when a run hits a warning or an error. If a scenario fails multiple times in a row and doesn't have error handling in place, Make will automatically deactivate it and send a scenario has been stopped notification. That protects your operation usage. When you receive that alert, open the scenario, review the recent runs in history, use details to pinpoint the issue, fix it, and then reactivate the scenario. Finally, if you enable Allow Storing of Incomplete Executions in the scenario settings, runs that failed due to temporary issues are saved in a special folder. You can return, resolve the cause, and resume them without losing data. That's all you need to confidently monitor scenario runs in Make.